Best practices for success with Udemy courses. We want you to achieve the levels of passive income each month that you desire from your Udemy courses. So we have 10 best practices for you that you need to follow to ensure your success. 1. Why statement and goals for your Udemy success. Write down your goals for success with Udemy. Set goals for income levels over the next few weeks, months, and years. Write a strong why statement of why you want to achieve passive income results with Udemy and carry this around with you at all times. Make your Udemy goals visible all of the time. Place them next to your computer and other places where you spend a lot of time. Creating winning Udemy videos takes time and effort, and you need to do everything that you can to keep your motivation levels high. 2. Generate new course ideas and validate. Spend time creating new ideas for Udemy courses. Think about your interests and use other resources to generate each idea. You must validate your ideas to see if there is demand for courses. If you don't do this, then you will join the large group of Udemy instructors that make little or no sales. Use the Google Keyword Planner to check for search volumes and identify good keywords. Check for demand on other websites such as Amazon.com. Use Udemy Insights as another validation tool, and search Udemy for competing courses to see the level of success that they are having. 3. Plan your Udemy courses with a good outline. The best Udemy courses are well planned and executed. Spend time creating an outline for your course and conduct additional research if necessary. Start with the learning steps and then flesh these out with the content you intend to provide. 4. Get the right tools and learn how to use them. You cannot create high-quality Udemy videos without the right tools. It is essential that you have a high-quality microphone with a pop filter and a good quality camera to shoot the live sections of your videos. Video editing is another important aspect, and whatever editing suite you decide to use, learn how to use it properly so that you can produce the very best videos. If you intend to record your computer screen for training, then choose screen recording software and learn how to use that properly too. 5. Create engaging videos. Your aim with all your Udemy videos must be student engagement. Make each of your videos less than 10 minutes. People do not generally want to watch longer videos than this. Add introduction and conclusion slides to each video so that students know what they are going to learn, and then receive a summary of learning points at the end. Add interactivity to your courses with quizzes where students can test their knowledge to see how far they are progressing. Add stories to your videos where you can. Everyone loves stories, and this will help to drive up your engagement levels. 6. Create high-converting landing pages. Your Udemy course is not going to sell itself, so you need to spend time creating a persuasive landing page. The title and subtitle of your course are critical, as they are the first thing a visitor will see. They need to grab the attention of the visitor so they will want to know more. Make a good promo video which explains the benefits of your course. Make sure that it answers the questions that most people will have. Use your action-oriented steps in the student goals section. Write a benefit-laden course description. 7. Create a sales funnel for your Udemy course. Prior to launching your course, set up a sales funnel so that you can gather leads and persuade people to try out your course for free or for a steep discount. You need your own website or blog and an autoresponder to capture email addresses and to perform email marketing. Create a mini course for your course and use this as an incentive to get people onto your email list. 8. Promote your Udemy course. Don't rely on Udemy to sell your course for you. Tell your personal network of friends, family, and colleagues to enroll for free with a coupon and leave you a good review. You need to build up your social proof so that this will be appealing to potential buyers. Create discount coupons and add them to deal sites. Once you know your course converts well, use paid traffic such as Facebook ads to drive more traffic. Be active on social media about your course and join relevant Facebook groups. Use promotional and educational announcement emails to keep in touch with your students and make more sales. 9. Monetize your Udemy videos. If you're selling your courses for around $11.99, you're going to have to sell a lot to make significant passive income. You can monetize your Udemy courses by adding affiliate links to other related products, links to your website offer pages, and so on. 10. Rinse and repeat. Creating your first Udemy course is just a start. You need to be committed for the long term and plan to create more Udemy courses. The biggest passive income earners on Udemy all have more than one course, so you need to do the same.